glass clamp ideal for hand railing needs without interrupting the view. It is made of solid 304 stainless steel by casting process. Molten steel above 1000 degrees is manufactured by wax loss casting process. They are widely used in various indoor guardrails, swimming pool guardrails and so on. The stainless steel glass clamp can be stably and safely secured to fixing in the glass. Available in 304 and 316 stainless steel. Available finishes in satin, mirror and matte black. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Welcome, contact for more details.